Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to connect parallel circuit wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribe and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Switch, light 1, light 2, light 3. Phase connection input to switch. Phase connection output from switch to connect light 1, 2 and light 3. Neutral connection connected to light 3. Neutral connection to light 2. Neutral connection to light 1. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.